And the reason I love the Spitfire, number one, is the looks. This was the hot rod BSA of the 60s. Handles well, looks great, and with the Hornet high pipes on it and the alloy tank, it has just the look I want, and I love to ride it. I'm Brian Pearson, and we're in Dana Point, and this is my 1967 BSA Spitfire. And we're going to go through the drill to kickstart the bike. I have an electronic ignition which makes the starting a little simpler. I don't have to worry about advancing retarded ignition. I don't even often have to use the choke. I simply turn the ignition key on and tickle the carburetors until I get a little bit of gas and make sure they're full, and then I kickstart. So I'll turn the key on, I turn the petcock and tickle the carburetors. And then kickstart. Hopefully we'll get a very easy start. First kick.